your block, put between your feet, please. Left block here, and both hand up. Sorry, your right hand up with the block like this. Stretch up side. One, up. Two more stretch, please. Very good. Three, four, आराम से. Five, 6, 7. Yes. Relax, please. Yes. Switch your leg, please. Switch. Madam, no child pose. Switch your hand there. Yes. Up. One, two, three more. Four, 5, 6, 7. Relax, please. Child pose. Here. Shashank Asana. Yes. You blocks here. You can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now come like this. Your blocks here. You have to come center of the mat. थोड़ा पीछे जाइए प्लीज. पीछे. Your hand center. Now your right leg forward like this. Stretch your leg. Right leg forward. Yes. And stretch your body like this. Stretch back. 1, 2 more. 3, 4 more. 5. Bend your knee. 6. Bend your knee. 7, 8. Now stretch your leg forward like this. You can take support of the blocks and just start to split pose as well as your capacity. 1. Yes. Very good. Very good, all of you. 2, 3, 4. Stretch, please. 5. Very good, ma'am. 6. Madam, nahi. 7, 8. Stretch, please. 9, 10. Close. Switch your leg, please. Yes. Left leg forward and bend your knee. Bend your knee. Your left knee bend. 1. Stretch you. 2. Stretch back. 4. पाँव थोड़ा आगे रखिए दीप्ति जी. 5, 6. No, no. 7. Keep bend. Keep bend. 7, 8. Bend रखिए. 9. हर्षा जी. 9. Now keep straight. अभी स्ट्रेट कीजिए. फुल्ली स्ट्रेट पोज हनुमान आसन ट्राई करेंगे. वेरी गुड. मोर स्ट्रेच प्लीज. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax, please. Close the leg. Long inhale and exhale. Now, here. Your left leg back and right hand forward. Like stretch. Left leg back and right hand forward. 1. Leg सीधा रखिए पीछे. 2. सीधा रखिए leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax, please. Switch your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax, please. Long inhale, exhale. Now try करेंगे केवल. आइए next drop a block here. Okay, and both side of your block. Okay, and your shoulder drop on a block here like this, and tuck your toe inside, knee up. Toe stretch your leg like this. One leg down and one leg up like this. 1, yes, 2, 3, very good, 4, 5, knee ऊपर रहेगा, 6, 7, down please, madam, up, up, switch please, इधर रखिए, drop your shoulder here, yes, your hand position should be like that, okay, that's it, switch your leg please, yes, very good, 1, both, 2, 1 leg up, perfect, 4, आइए, 5, 6, 7, relax please, long inhale, exhale, as well as relax please. Now drop a block, पीछे, 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 पीछे please. You have to sit on a block please, like that, okay? And your knee under armpits here, stretch your whole fingertips, okay? Now your hip is up and your one leg up, like this. Look forward. Okay, one leg only, okay? Now drop your hand, your knee under armpit, okay? Now stretch, look forward. सामने देखिए, 1, very good, 2, 3, yes, 1 leg up, 4, like this, 5, touch here, yes, and 1 leg up, 6, very good, switch please, देखिए switch कीजिए, up, 1 leg up, सामने देखिए, very good, हो गया ना, 1, हो गया मैम, 2, आइए, 3, yes, 4, 5, relax please, long inhale, and exhale, your leg bring forward, look here, now your block you have to put like that, okay, make a T shape, okay, ma'am, you have to come forward, Induji, and now your back takes support over spine and stretch here like this, and both hand joint and up, like, stretch your upper back, yes, 1, 2, join the palm here, 3, 4, 5, ma'am, 6, join the palm Induji, 7, 8, 9, relax please, long inhale, exhale, now one block catch with the feet, okay, one block catch with the feet and stretch one block with in your hand like this, yes, Nokasana, 1, 2, 3, 4, मैडम एक साथ आएंगे, 5, 6, 7, 8, relax please, long inhale, exhale, as well as relax please, take long inhale, shake your leg please, and exhale. Now your blocks you have to catch here like that, okay, and your hip region up like this, otherwise you can drop like this, no problem, okay, and take support with your hand, hip region up, and one leg, your hip region between your hand and one leg up, 1, 2, 3, थोड़ा पीछे आएगा, 4, yes, 5, yes, 6, one leg up, take support, 7, down, switch please, ध्यान है आपका हिप रीजन हाथ और बीच में होना चाहिए, 1, आइए, 2, yes, शाबाश, 3, come on मैम, 4, 5, 6, relax please, Shake your leg. Here, lie down on your abdomen. Okay. Look at me. You both hand here and stretch your body. Hip upper part up and hold here, please, in Bhujangasana. Stretch your body. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Relax, please. Catch your block with the one hand legs up. Only one block. One, two, Harsha ji. Three, look up. Four, madam. Four, five, six, seven, eight. Look at me carefully. ठीक है? Your blocks. Okay? Two blocks. Look at me first. Yes. And now under lower abdomen. Lower abdomen. Okay? Like here. And both hand here. You otherwise you can take support like this. Okay? And you both leg up. Stretch. See? You both blocks lower abdomen. Yes. ये both hand here sideways. Yes. यहाँ पे रखना है. मैडम यहाँ पे रखिए हाथ. Two. ऐसे. Three. Four. हाथ ऐसे रख लीजिए. Five. ऐसे. Six. More up your leg. Seven. Eight. Yes. Nine. More up, please. 10. Relax, please. Child pose. Long inhale. Exhale. Child pose, madam. One, two, three, four, five. Up. Leg forward and you have to lie down on your back. Lie down on your back, please. Now, catch your block with the feet. Okay, like that. And both legs up and down. Catch your block with the feet. Yes, like this here. Tight. Inhale up and down. पकड़िए. Inhale up, down. Very good. Slowly. Inhale up, down, up and hold. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Now 30-degree. Only 30-degree hold here. Okay. More. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Stretch your body. Stretch your leg. Your long inhale. Exhale now. Your blocks under hip region like this. Make it T shape here like this. And hold. Yes, make a T shape there like this. One. मैडम आपको लेटना ही पड़ेगा. टू. वो ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. टू. वन. टू. लेटे की सभी करेंगे ना. फोर. फाइव. सिक्स. वेरी गुड. सेवन. एट. Yes. Nine. Right leg up here, please. One. Upper part down कर दीजिए. Two. Yes. Right leg up. 3, right leg up. 4, 5, yes. 6, 7, 8, down. Switch please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down. Both leg up. If you can do, both leg up. Yes. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, पकड़े रखिए, 7, relax please. Remove your blocks please. पवन मुक्तासना, राइट लेग फोल्ड, इसको छोड़ दीजिए ब्लॉक्स को मैडम. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax please, both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax please. Savasana. Relax your hand please. Close your eyes. Relax your body. Take a long inhale. Exhale. Your complete focus on your breath. Take a long inhale. Exhale. As well as relax please here.